I'm going to show you today how to configure a Kinesis Enthusiast business card. Firstly, I'll take you through the templates that Martijn has kindly put together for us, and then show you how easy they are to configure. So, firstly, we've got two alternatives for the front of the card and three for the back of the card. So your contact details will go in this area here, and this QR code space will, the QR code will actually resolve to the web address with your referral ID on it. Okay, so how to generate the QR code. Firstly, you go to website qrstuff.com. You'll have their website URL will be defaulted. Key in here kinesis.money /?r equals and your referral code. I've used 999999 just as an example. Now here the encoding option will be set to dynamic. You'll need to change that to static, and you'll see here there's a QR code preview. If you want, you can hover your phone camera over it, and you'll see that it will resolve to this website URL. Okay, so download your QR code, and then we are ready to start configuring our business card. So to make it easy, best to drag that QR code to your working directory, and here I've got the different options for the templates. I'm going to use the middle one for entering my my contact details. I'm going to open that with Paint. So if you've got a Windows PC, then you should have that available to you. Right, click on A for the text tool, click somewhere near the top, doesn't have to be too precise, and then for the font size you want to overkey that with 45, make sure you're on bold, and then select the nice silvery colour that Martijn has come up with for us. You need to edit colours, and then enter 206, 203 and 212 into red, green, blue. Add that to custom colors, select the custom color you've just created, and click OK. Okay, so I'm now going to enter the name. So it's going to be egg example. Hit return. Now we're going to switch to a smaller font size, font size 34. Enter Kinesis Enthusiast. Now going to enter egg's email address. Now we're going to switch back to the larger font size 45, enter, to key in egg's phone number, enter, and now finally back to the smaller font size 34, enter, and we'll key in kinesis.money /?r equals and your referral code. Okay, so if you're happy with it left justified, then just make sure it's lined up I'm looking at the E and the K here against the end of that line, and look at the vertical alignment. I'm just going to push that down a little bit. Okay, that looks good to me. So, happy with left alignment, just click outside the text box to fix the text. If you prefer it center aligned, then drag the left hand side across. You're looking for about 3.5 characters on this last line, 3.5, 4 characters, either side of the actual line underneath. Okay, Paint doesn't have any center justifying, so you'll have to pad these other lines with spaces. Okay, looks good to me. Click outside the text box and your text is fixed. Right, so we now just need to grab that QR code and overwrite the one on the template. So I'm going to open the QR code with Paint again. I'm going to resize it to 158%. Okay, and now I need to grab that QR code with a small white border. There we go. We'll copy it, get rid of these, and Control V to paste it into our original Paint session, and then reposition it carefully over the one in the template. Click away and you can now save the file. So I'll save that as example 2 and OK there. Right, so all you need to do now is to grab this file and the front side to go with it, and send it off to your selected printer. And that is about it. Thanks.